Welcome, my name's Tom, and this is the first in a series of videos on building a neural network from scratch. Now, this is a real beginner video. We're only going to be using just plain vanilla Python and NumPy in order to build our neural network. So if you have any experience with other things, if you have, beyond a basic level understanding of machine learning, this tutorial is really not going to be too interesting to you. Now, I can't take credit for all the material in here. I have borrowed stuff from here and there, and you can look at the original sources in the links that are in the description. All right, so let's get started. In this first video, all we're going to be doing is looking at our data set, and we're going to be doing a classification problem. So we're going to get some sort of input, and we're going to train our neural network in order to give us some specific output. In this case, that output is going to tell us whether some banknote is real or fake. Now, the dataset has 1,372 samples, and they have sampled certain information: variance, skewness, kurtosis, entropy. I don't know what those are, and to be honest, it's not really important in order to do the training of the neural network. All we want to do is know that given these four features, this input here, that we can get the correct class out. And there's only two classes in this case. We just have 0 and 1. And it's split about 50-50. There's a little more of the zeros than there are ones. It's like 630 ones and 762 zeros, which is fine. It can have a little bit of imbalance there. Now, our goal is to take these features, and what we're going to do is we're going to train our neural network in order to spit out either 0 or 1, and hopefully in the end we'll have something that if later on we took another banknote and we measured these same four things, it would give us an accurate value for whether the bill is real or fake. So this is the data we're going to be using, and what you can do is you can just go ahead and download it from here. You can just download from this website. The link is also in the description. If you're looking at this from my website, I've included both of these sets there as well. I've also included those links in the description. Now, if you download this and you open it, it is a CSV file. If you open this as a CSV file, then you're going to get it probably in Excel or some version like some other spreadsheet program. But go ahead and do that. But then later what I want you to do is open it in whatever text editor you're using. And what you're going to get is this, because a CSV file is really just comma separated values. So we're going to get our four features and then 0 or 1, which is all the way down here. Okay, so we're going to be looking at this file most of the time. Just I have it saved as a text file here, not as a CSV file, because the CSV file it's really just a text file with the values separated by commas. Okay, so that's basically it. So in this video, we talked about we're going to build a neural network for a classification problem that uses these four features to try to predict whether a bill is real or not. Okay, all right, next video we'll actually get started building the real thing.